All right, what's going on, YouTube, man? It's CJ Brand back here, and like I promised, man, like I freaking promised you guys, I will be doing another video just so we can see, what's the difference between the Elgato's face camera versus the C922 Pro by Logitech, man. Let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. We're gonna go ahead and show you everything. Go ahead and go over the graphics of both of the cameras, and we'll just see pretty much, which camera should, the gamers get. Honestly, that's the main question of the video: is what camera should we gamers get, man? So as you guys are seeing right now, this right here is going to be the Elgato's Facecam. Like I said, we already showed you guys how to get the blurry background, how to get that full detailed of it's the full details, man. But I'm pretty sure there's some more people out there that know how to do more things, and hopefully that'll work out for everyone else. But let's go ahead and get straight into it. I'm going to go ahead and switch the cameras over. I may do a duplicate view where you can see the Elgato's versus the C922 Pro, but we'll see how that works out, man. But let's go ahead and get straight into it, man. We'll be right back after this. All right, man, so we back in. So yeah, I got the dual view up for both of us, and I'm pretty sure you guys can tell everything. I haven't touched any settings for both of the cameras. Only thing I have done is pulled in the Elgato's into NVIDIA's broadcast. I haven't used any settings at all. So you guys can see right here. Dang, it's kind of weird, like this is all right, so on the left side it's going to be the Elgato's Facecam, obviously, and then on the right it's going to be the Logitech's C922. Well, we can already tell. I'm going to be looking off to the side so I can look at it myself. I mean, we can tell that the Elgato, it has more of a, I guess, like a true lighting than the C922 does. It looks like there's a lot of white balancing in the back. I mean, it is on auto. We can also tell that, I mean, it's very dark. You can see like this darkness, this dark line, like all over my face. Like, it looks so weird. But in the Elgato, you can't. It cleans you up, man. You don't see all that, and I don't even know why my face looks like this in the C922. It doesn't look that dark. Like, I'm darker out there. That's kind of strange, man. But I'm going to hit the lights off right quick, and we're gonna see, what's the difference between lighting and what could we do to, to help improve the naked camera view of both of these. So here we go, man. So we got the lighting off, of course. The Elgato, it has more coloring to it. I should have actually done something different where I didn't show the blurry background, but I mean, it really doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and pull in the C922 Pro into NVIDIA's broadcast system. That way we can go ahead and show the blurry background, see if there is a big difference. I highly doubt that there would be, but we'll see, man. So as of right now, I'll say that Elgato is beating the C922 Pro off the top. Just because also it can do 1080p and 60 frames per second. The Logitech can only do 720p and 60 frames per second. It does do 1080p as well, but it's only 30 frames per second. So let me go ahead and switch everything over. Let's go ahead and put in the C922 inside of NVIDIA software, and then we'll see if it looks good still, man. So let's go ahead and switch everything over. I'll go ahead and switch my display so we can show you guys everything right there. Take that off, and then you guys can see me again. So yeah, hello. It's me. All right, let's go ahead and switch this over, and then let's go back to the main system. So yeah, Elgato's going. I'm gonna disable this camera as well, and I hope this will work out, right? I really do hope it works out. Okay, there we go. So yeah, this right here is going to be the C922 inside of NVIDIA's broadcast system. Like I said, as you see, it's right here. It's 1920 by 1080 at 30 frames per second. All we did was add in a background blur. I mean, it's simple. Check out. I can't check it for some reason. It's kind of weird. But anyway, normally you just hit that right there. We can auto frame it. Or maybe not. Maybe I can't do anything at all in the system because I got the camera running, I guess. But yeah, that's that, man. But like I said, you can always come up here, you can adjust the settings. Maybe we do want to add like a little bit more brightness, but as you see more brightness, it comes a lot of noisier. We can change the contrast on here also. Yeah, that kind of looks dumb. Let's go ahead and hit that in default, cancel it out. But honestly, I don't know what else I can really say. The C922, it lacks a lot of potential. I mean, when I say a lot of potential, it lacks a lot of potential when it comes down to $200 Elgato's Facecam. So I'm sticking with the Elgato. The C922 is gonna get thumped right off my computer very, very soon, man. But let me go and bring it up one more time. I really wish I could show you guys the NVIDIA broadcast versus, both of them in the same screen. But I actually I think I can make that happen. I'm gonna have to test something out, man. But let me go ahead and switch back over. We're gonna go ahead and put this back to Elgato. And I mean, just look at this. I mean, it just looks fantastic. Like, I don't know. You guys let me know what y'all think about it, man. Let me go ahead and oh, I didn't do one thing. Let me go back one more time. And we're gonna turn the lights on with this. So so yeah, I mean, the lightning is chill. I still got this darkness around my face for some reason, but it's way much better than it was before. Yeah, I mean, that's well, I mean, now look at it, it looks pretty chill. I actually like it. It looks, yeah, it just has too much white balance. That's something I am noticing right now. It's a lot of white balance in here. And now since this is unfrozen for me as well, I can go ahead and take off the background blur, put it back on. Oh yeah, my Christmas pants, like right there in the back, right there. I don't know, right there. They're right there, man. So let's turn it back on. We can choose performance over quality. Me personally, I just want my quality good. So let's see if we can auto frame this and see what that looks like. Okay, cool. So yeah, you can auto frame. Oh, something else that I forgot to mention to you guys as well about the video of Elgato. They have so the sensor from Sony is similar to the iPhone sensor where it tracks your face as you move around and everything. C922 doesn't have that. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm referring to. So if I move around, like you see how it's moving, like you can actually move around and it's going to straight follow you. Yeah, I mean, that is pretty chill, man. I don't even know if y'all can hear me when I was all the way back there, but I hope y'all can. Yeah, so I mean, that's something that's pretty chill, man. I think all cameras should have that, but it is what it is. I like it. So one other thing I am going to do now is this. We're going to go ahead and take all this off. I'm going to bring up just I'm going to leave the Elgato inside of this system, and we're going to go back to the C922, activate that, camera, and we're going to bring up the C922's software, and we'll, see what the software can, help us out. Hopefully it doesn't mess up anything. Which it looks like this is what I found, the webcam control. So I don't know if this is going to do anything for us. If not, yeah, I don't think it's doing anything for me at all. So I don't know how to. Oh, there you go. Okay, cool. So yeah, we can change. Oh my, we can change some stuff up in here. Let's go ahead and restore. We got autofocus already on. Oh, my white balance. Okay, let me see if I can change that. It would have fixed it. Oh. Okay. Coloring. Okay. Look, I'm changing stuff. Y'all can't even see it. I'm gonna have to move this camera out the way. So let's go ahead and turn off the Elgato right quick. So y'all can see what I'm talking about. This is their system that I found for that webcam hook so far. If there's something else out there, which I believe that there is, but I could be mixing it up with the new camera instead. Yeah, which most likely I am. So this is pretty much all of I've found so far. I mean, this compared to the Facecam software, it doesn't have anything at all. So and then I'll open up the cam software as well so I can show you guys that. Cam hub, I should say. All right, man. So yeah, this is the Elgato's software right here. I mean, it's super big. Let me see if I can minimize it for us so we can. All right, cool. So yeah, I'm going to take off my camera now off of the C922 so I can see it behind me. All right, perfect. There we go. I'm messing up a lot, man. Anyway, so here goes this right here. This right here just to show you guys, the differences between both softwares. Obviously, in the Elgato, there's a lot more that you can do. On here, there's not as much as you can do, and you can also even use the Logitech's hub to mess around with the C922. But I haven't had any type of nothing major with that at all. It's whatever. But yeah, the auto white balance in here is pretty crappy. I can't do anything with that. So the C922 in whole, it just isn't a good software. It doesn't, the camera, it's okay if you're starting off in gaming, you don't want to spend $200 on the Elgato, but I highly recommend that just buy the Elgato, man. It's no point, you know, why waste your money, you know, on that crap? Just get the Elgato, call it a day. I mean, it comes with a freaking sensor that's going to follow you. So, and then the lighting is still good no matter what. There is noise in here because I did just mess up some type of setting, but bruh, you can't beat it. I don't think you can beat it. If you can beat it, you can beat it. Otherwise than that, man, I think that this right here is going to be the best camera that you can get for you. Do me like that, bro. Ain't gonna move with me. There you go. I was like, you gonna do me like that? Ain't gonna move with me, bro. But yeah, I think that this right here is probably the best that we can get, honestly. Just because, I mean, if I got to explain it to you, I don't think that you want it. You don't want the camera then, because there's nothing to really explain. This camera is just phenomenal. I don't know. Let me go ahead and hit the noise reduction. There we go. So we back good. Minimize that, and that's it. That's all I got for you guys, man. That was the video I promised that I was going to make for you guys. Show you guys the differences between the Elgato's Facecam versus the Logitech C922 Pro HD webcam. The Elgato Facecam is doing 1080p, 60 frames per second. Of course, you can downgrade if you're needing it to. The C922, that right there is maxed out at 60 frames per second, only at 720p. It does do 1080p, but it's only 1080p 30 frames per second. So you want all the frames or you want just a little bit of frames, man? I mean, the Elgato is running for $200. You can use a coupon on Corsair. I think you get like about $20 off of it. I paid $180 for mine, $179.99. The C922, that right there is running for like $100 on Logitech store and Dell store. But you can also go to Amazon to get for like $75. Or if you want, you can just send me a message and I'll save you mine. Whichever one you want, man. Well, man, that's all we got for today's video. Until next time the brand is out, please make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Like this video, comment down below for some more daily content, and we will see you later. We'll see you later. Peace.